Please like, please subscribe and press the bell icon. We need blue, green, purple, pink, and yellow sheets. Some color highlighters. Any ruler, pencil, scissor, any glue. Some beads. So let's start. 10 centimeters asterisk 10 centimeters. Please leave a comment if you like my video. Thank you. Please comment where are you from? Thanks. ready. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching and keep smile.